So today I'll be showing you how to hard reset your Sony WH-1000XM6 headphones. Now you don't even need your phone for this. All you need to do is first of all turn off the headphones, and with the headphones off, locate the power button and the noise cancelling button. And what you want to do is press and hold these two buttons simultaneously and hold them for about 10 to 15 seconds. Now what you'll see is this light, this LED light here is going to blink a couple of times and then it's going to go off. And that will be a complete successful hard reset. So power button, noise cancelling button. So press and hold like that. Just wait. Just keep your eye on that LED. Keep waiting. There you go. There's the light blinking. And then it's going to go off. And that is a successful hard reset of these headphones. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.